Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family. I went to Rouse's, and with the intent of finding something unique and unusual. I'm sitting in the Jeep in the parking lot. I'm just going to walk in, go to the meat department, and see can I find something that intrigues me. And boy, the Rouse's not disappoint. These are fresh ground chicken gizzards. Why they're ground, I don't know. On YouTube, and especially myself, I always assume that everybody knows what I'm doing, that we're all from the same region. Well, I'm from the deep south, Georgia, living in Louisiana, the south. Gizzards are something that we cook, especially in Georgia, chicken gizzards. I don't know what they do for the chicken. They look like a man's parts, your boys. Anyway, I don't think that's what they do for the chicken, but nevertheless, we fry them up. Sometimes we broil them, and we usually, for football games, sporting events, they're great to just snack on. They, for whatever reason, Rouse's ground them up. I've never in my life seen ground chicken gizzards. Look them up. You'll see them, like I said, all type of ways, but always the whole 2 gizzards. Sometimes they split them, cut there's a kind of a hard, unedible part in the middle that attaches the 2 gizzards. A lot of times people clip those out and serve them individually. Other than that, this is how it is. So family, what we're gonna do today is pull out the frying pan. We haven't done anything or cooked. We've been using the Hot Logic, the Big Easy. We're gonna pull out our frying pan and our stove. We're gonna cook these chicken gizzards up, and we're gonna make ourselves a fajita wrap, if you will. We're probably gonna drop an egg in. That's enough talking. Let's go ahead and get it done. That's nice and warm, fam. It's cold out here this morning. When I woke up this morning, it was 29 degrees here in Louisiana. Woo! All right, fam. On this particular grill, things are pretty much instantaneously hot. So we're gonna drop in a little oil. Because as you all know, chicken is not gonna produce any oil like ground beef or pork would do. So we're gonna drop in a little of this Dollar Tree extra virgin olive oil. All right, fam, I'm not gonna bore y'all with meat browning, so we're gonna go ahead and let this do its thing, and we'll be back when that meat gets brown. We'll go ahead and get our fajitas browned. We're gonna pull out a little bit of pico de gallo. We'll top that with I got a little hot sauce, and we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, family, we'll be right back. All right, fam, there you have it. Gizzard meat still looks like kind of like ground beef to me. So we're gonna go ahead and add ourselves in an egg. I think I might pour off a little bit of that liquid. And then we're gonna go up here to our spice rack. We're gonna add in a little bit of celery salt, maybe a little bit of Tony Satchers. Pull out a fajita wrap and call it supper time. Actually, lunchtime. Y'all stay tuned. Remember I told y'all in a previous video, celery salt is way more better for you than regular salt. And I've been trying to go with that celery salt ever since I learned that. Like I said, YouTube is a learning experience for all of us. Not just one way. It's not just a one-way street. All right, family. It is almost lunchtime, y'all. All right, fam. I did not bring any pico de gallo. I usually keep it in my refrigerator. And obviously, I took it out. I used it all. So instead of deplating this or plating it and putting these on the frying pan, I'm simply gonna drop 2 of these right on top. Then we're gonna treat it like a finger food. We're gonna put the cheese on top of that. We're gonna flip it over and scoop and eat, y'all. Woo! That's how we do it in the field, people. Reduced fat pepper jack cheese. Who needs reduced fat? Not me. All right, fam, we're gonna go ahead. Oh yeah, baby. That's actually not a bad idea. With steam those. Oh, and by the way, these are 0 carb by Missions. These are 0 net carb, sun-dried tomato basil. I love 14 tortillas. I think they're like $3. Can't beat that. A really good bread replacement. All right, fam. Let's go ahead and drop the cheese on one of these boys. Let's go ahead and cut that flame off. We can either scoop by hand or we can take our spatula. Boom. Whoa. Almost lost some valuable meat. All right, family. Check that out. So we can top that with a little hot sauce if we choose to. But let's taste that just as is. Ooh, hot. Could use a little more hot sauce. Tastes like chicken, y'all. It's not nothing to write home to mom about, but for, I think that pack of chicken gizzards was like $2 and some change. We'll call it $3. $3 for the wraps. I probably can get about, just out of the half of the portion I cook, I probably can get 4 or 5 of these out of it. Probably a meal for 2. So we can feed 2 people twice, 3 times for $6-7 if you add in the egg. All right, fam. Not bad. Not one of my prize-winning meals, but for the field, it'll work. All right, family. If y'all enjoyed this real quick down and dirty video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.